Oh guys, so dito tayo sa Sarah's Cafe sa Dawis. So, di ko lang alam kung saan part ng Dawis to. Look at the view. It's very beautiful. See? Sarah's Cafe in Dawis, Bohol. Lovely. Morning. Guys, ang ganda ng view dito, promise.